Rule 26, dangerous riding, uneven ride-off. Keep your eye on the orange player here at the top of the screen, right there. He bumps the white player, and the problem with this ride-off is he does not bump shoulder to shoulder. A proper ride-off has three elements: shoulder to shoulder, similar speed, and slight angle, 45 degrees or less. This ride-off probably violates all three, but all we really care about here is that it's not shoulder to shoulder. So if you look at it slowly, right there, he's hitting the white player well in front of the white player's shoulder, and that actually knocks the white player off balance a little bit. It might be the speed that he's coming into. You can see it here, right there. He comes in at a faster speed, and he's at a pretty steep angle. It's hard to tell from some of the shots, but there you have it right there, and that's where he fouls. We'll look at another one from a lower level of polo, so you can see how it's very similar. The blue player here comes in too far in front of the green player to be shoulder to shoulder, so that would be uneven. Right here, the blue player is well in front of the green player, and the green player is actually having to check out of what is an illegal bump. And if you check out of that, you still retain the line. Just let's watch it in slow motion. Right here, the blue player comes in, fouls right there, and then fouls again here when the blue player decides to go ahead and take the ball. So looks like the umpire's got that one right. And we'll look at it from a different angle here. See how far in front the blue player is than the green player. And that's the foul. So you can see the horses overlapped here, but the blue player is too far in front. It's a little hard to tell from this angle, but that's what an uneven ride-off looks like. We have one more example. This is a hit behind the saddle. Right there, the orange player hits the white number 3 behind the saddle. We'll slow it down or freeze it for a second. On the top of the screen, you'll see where he makes the hit behind the saddle. It's a very dangerous ride-off. You hit behind the saddle, you will put the other player down, most likely. So we'll look at it in slow motion. Watch the orange player on the top of the screen there. Number 4 hits the white number 3 right behind the saddle. It looks as though the orange player was looking back at the number 2 with the ball, so it was probably an unintentional or innocent foul, but it's still dangerous nonetheless, and he's still responsible. So the umpire's got this one right as well.